Back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial we're going to be talking about how we can use the post followers and we can generate leads for all our referral links. We can generate traffics to our website, we can generate followers, subscribers, and add this all to our social media accounts, and from there start interacting with people. You can also use the post followers to boost your business on every social media out there, guys. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to fully implement the post followers and how to use it to make tons of leads for yourself. So first of all, guys, I'll need you guys to please do me a favor, like this video, hit that red subscribe button, and also go down within the comment section if you're really pumped about this tutorial. If you really want me to show you how to use the boss followers, how to generate referrals, tons of referrals, how to generate leads and website traffic to all your websites and earn from Google AdSense and so on and so forth, make sure to like this video, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, and make sure to go down the comment section and also type in a nice comment for me, guys. So right now let's head into this video. So last time on our last video we talked about the Digibyte airdrop boost that paid me instantly, guys. So right now we are going to be trying to generate so much referrals on this same Digibyte airdrop boot, guys. So already I simply need you to click on the referral button, or simply click on the referral button here. So the moment you click on the referral button, you'll be told you can get over 10,000 Telegram referrals using this same boss followers. So actually many platforms right now are working to advertise on the boss followers. Many platforms are already using the boss followers. Many persons are actually using it, and they are using it to generate so much lead for themselves. So right now I'll simply need you to copy the link, that is the bossfollowers.pro. So let's copy this website link. Now, once you copy this website link, I'll need you to head over to your browser. Do not access the website directly through here. Simply head over to your browser and we are going to get into the website immediately. So right now on our browser, I'll simply need you to paste in the website link that we copied here and load it up. So right now it takes us over to the Boss Followers homepage website. Now the Boss Followers is a social media marketing website when you can get so many social media services for very cheap and easy rates. They have worked with a lot of companies, they have lots of active users, and also they have posted lots of campaigns. They also have a 24 hours customer support. If you have any issue with the boss followers, if you have any issue with having made a deposit or having purchased an order and you have not yet received your order, simply contact the support. How do you contact the support? You can simply click on this icon right here, this green icon. Once you click on it, it loads up something like this and it says, welcome to our boss followers. If you need help, simply reply to this message. We are online and we are ready to help. So the simple thing you need to do is to simply type in hi, that you have an issue, and they will immediately reply you. So let's test it out right now to show you that they are actually active and they actually join in on your chats and reply you within the next 10 to 5 minutes. It is actually real, it is actually happening, guys. So right now this is the boss followers contact support. Make sure to use them because they will actively reply to any issue that you have, guys. So right now simply text in to them and tell them that you have an issue. First of all, they join your chats because there are lots of contact support. Having joined your chats, they will reply you and ask what's your issue. Now you should tell them that maybe you have deposited money or simply you have signed up and you weren't able to, let's say, get what you signed up for. So having done this, guys, let's get into the website. So right now on the website, you simply need to click on the get started button. Already I have an account on boss followers, but right now I think we'll be directed to register. Good. So right now on the register button, you simply need to type in your username. Please take note that your username must be six small letters. Six small letters, guys. Please take note of this. And also, you add in your email address. Then you type in your country. You type your phone number. Then you add your password. Having done this, you need to tick on the box of I agree with terms and conditions. And having done this, you click on the register button. So right now, let me quickly fill up this form. So right now I have quickly filled up the form. As you can see within my username, I typed in 6 or 7 small character letters and also 2 numbers, guys. So this is how your username format should be. Also, I added in my email address, I added my country, added my phone number, and added my password. Then I checked the box of I agree with terms and policy. Then you click on the register button. Once you click on the register button, a verification email will be sent to you, and you need to get in the code that was sent to that verification, that is to the email that you submitted. Then you insert the code there and you proceed. So let's click on the register button right away. So click on register. So right now, as you can see, it tells me a 6-digit verification code was sent to your email. Get into your email address, open your Gmail app, get that code, paste it in here and click on submit. Having done this, you will now be directed to the user panel where you're adding your name and every other detail about yourself that you get into your dashboard, guys. Okay, so right now, as you can see, once you have completely signed in into the boss followers, you'll be given a user's dashboard. Right here is my total balance. Yes, you need to deposit something into this platform in order for you to purchase their services. If you go over to the service section, you'll see a lot of services here. Within this particular website, you can get Instagram followers. You can get targeted Instagram followers from your targeted content followers from Germany, from India, from Pakistan. You can get Instagram reel comments. You can also use it to get Instagram reels views. You can use it to get Instagram stories and impressions. You can use it to get Instagram live video views. You can use it to get Instagram mentions. Now, also, it works actually on Telegram. You can use it to generate members for your Telegram channel and group, and then you can pass in all your referral links to them, and all those members who join through your referral links earning you commissions. You can also use it to generate post views. This also works in other social media platforms such as in things like TikTok. You also generate YouTube subscribers. So right here is the package to get YouTube subscribers, YouTube views, and also YouTube comments. With this, you can simply create a YouTube channel and boost your YouTube channel. Paste boost your YouTube channel, paste in your YouTube channel link here, and they will now offer social media services on YouTube for you, generating views, subscribers, likes, and comments for you as well. So actually, that is what Buzz Followers does. Buzz Followers does a lot of full packages for many users here. But actually, how are we going to implement this website? How are we going to use this website to generate referrals for us? To use this website to generate referrals for us, we are going to be working within the Telegram service section. So first of all, in order for you to purchase any service here, you need to pay a little cost. Right now, the maximum cost fee to be paid on the bus followers, I think, is around $4 to $5. I am able to purchase the service for over less $1 here. For example, you can get over 1,000 Instagram followers for as low as $1.25. So right now, you need to add funds into your account. To add funds into your account, head over to this bar here, click on it, and click on make a deposit. Then you click on deposit now. Once you click on deposit now, we are going to choose a payment gateway. Now you can pay through Naira, simple Naira and bank transfer. You can pay through USDT payment. You can also pay through your international bank and payment, and also the international bank and transfer. You can also pay through cryptocurrency. Right here on this particular tutorial, to make it easy for everyone, I wish to pay through cryptocurrency, but for the benefit of everyone, we are going to be making transfer via our local bank accounts. So we are going to click on this. Now the amount to be added, let's say I simply want to add around $5 into my panel. So I'm going to click on $5. Now it tells me in Naira that we expected to pay in an amount of 3,802.50 Naira. So we are going to click on submit. Having done this, we are now going to click on pay now. Now what does this do? It actually loads up the payment gateway and it tells you to pay in directly. Remember to pay in the stipulated amount you are assigned to pay in. So click on pay with transfer. Now it assigns you an account number and also the amount you should pay. Please take note that you should pay in this actual amount, 3,802.5. Now, the actual amount given to you, you should pay in this actual amount to this actual account number. If you do not pay in this actual amount to this actual account number, I did make this mistake before, and also I lost some of my funds. However, I contacted the support immediately and they were able to reply me, and also they added back my balance. So make sure to pay in the right amount, guys. So right now we are going to copy this account number and we are going to head over to our local bank and make our transfer instantly. Also, guys, one very important thing, Please do not come off from this web page. Simply minimize your Chrome or your browser and head over to your banking app. So right here on your banking app, you simply need to paste in the account number. Then you select the bank. The bank is Wema Bank. Then you click on next. You click on confirm. Now, having clicked on confirm, the next thing you need to do, you need to add in the amount. Suggest that you copy in the amount you are stipulated to send in. So head over back into your Chrome browser, head over to any browser that you opened up the Boss Followers account and copy in the amount sent to you. So back on the browser, simply copy in this amount, click on copy and head over to your banking app. Right here on your banking app, you simply need to paste this in and click on next. So as you can see, I have successfully made this transfer. So I'm going to head back into the browser, into the Boss Followers, and I'm going to wait for them to approve my transaction. Right now, we are back to Boss Followers, and also we are still on that page. So right now, you simply need to click on I have sent the money. And now it waits a while and it checks if truly you have sent the stipulated an amount, and after that it approves. It tells you payment successful. Please know that this can take actually from 5 to 10 minutes, so please be patient. Do not come off this page and wait for Paystack to approve and Post Followers to approve that truly you have deposited that particular amount. So right now I have successfully deposited $5. As you can see, I have deposited $5, which is what 3,802.5 naira. So right now we're going to simply purchase the Telegram service. So the first thing you need to do in order to purchase the Telegram service right now is to first of all head into your Telegram account and create a Telegram channel. I believe that most of us right here know how to create a Telegram channel or group. Having done that, you need to copy in your Telegram channel or group link. Copy that Telegram channel or group link. Head over to this section, click on services. Scroll way down to Telegram channels and group. Then right here on Telegram channel and group members, click on order. Paste in your channel and group link, set your quantity. Let's say we wish to purchase 1,000 channel and group members that will now be able to access our referral link. Remember, do not paste in your referral link. However, paste in your newly created Telegram channel or group link right here. Then these members will be added to you. You can now continuously keep on sending referral links to them and they can now be joining through your referral link. It is that easy to do that, guys. Also, guys, please make sure to follow up every single step I played right here. Remember to make your deposit. You can start with a little amount, about $1 or $2, and also you can continuously add more amount. Also, Bot Followers do offer services on other social media platforms, so you can try this with most of your social media accounts and start boosting your account, start boosting your business portfolio, guys. So it is very easy to use Bot Followers. It's very easy to use Bot Followers and generate leads for yourself. Down within the service section, there is a service to even generate traffics to your website. You can be able to generate over 2,000 traffics to any kind of website of your choice, guys. So that is the use of Bot Followers. That is its functionality. I suggest that we all take advantage of it and start earning for ourselves, guys. So simply paste in your channel link right here, and then 1,000 channel members will be added to you. Haven't done that, click on the submit button. Okay, so right now on Telegram, as you can see, I have successfully created a new channel for myself. Right now, I have over 700 subscribers. I actually made an order of 700 subscribers, and I was able to get a little extra subscribers on this particular channel of mine. So right now, this is my new channel. I can simply start sending in my referral links here, and I will start earning referrals. Members will start joining because I have added them into this channel. I simply need to start talking with them, simply need to start advertising some ways to earn free crypto online, and they will start joining my referral link, and altogether we start earning, guys. So guys, it is that very easy. If you need the link to this channel, just comment it down. Comment down that you really need the link to this channel. I'll drop it within the comment section. Also, I'm going to be giving out this channel to one lucky subscriber, guys. So if you really need this channel right here, simply comment down below within the comment section that you need the channel, and lucky enough you'll be selected and I will send the channel to you guys. So guys, having covered all this, please remember to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Also remember to comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys on my very next tutorial, guys.